Here, in case you're curious. SeaWorld map.
Oh, you gonna leave it with me or are you taking it?
No, we don't want it.
Okay, have my job.
Zeke!
That's all I think. Shows all the details. Yes, they need it bigger. Way bigger. Very cool. Used to be you didn't really need a second day. Yeah. To see SeaWorld. One whole day was plenty. Bye.
Goodbye, I'm coming out.
Are you coming in for anything else?
Duke, stay.
I don't think so. Go. I have to check their room.
You do? For what? I love it when a plan comes together.
Pop up.
Oh boy.
We're gonna miss this car.
Yeah. Have fun. Have a good trip. Be safe. Thanks for stopping here.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Thank you.
I'm recording them going out.
There's a cop waiting for us.
Be careful.